Hi everybody, it's Shanna with Shanna Sweets. Hi, I have to work tonight. It's Tuesday and normally this is my Facebook Live, but unfortunately, because of the holiday this week, I had to work. But hey, I had a 3-day weekend, which was awesome. But I'm recording this video for you to be watching on my Tuesday. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you guys had a great Memorial Day weekend. I had a great weekend. I got to go see Cruella with my daughter. It was an excellent movie. If you're a Disney fan, you have to go see it. It was awesome. Saw it in the theater, which was even better because I got to use a gift card my sister gave me for Christmas. So that was totally awesome because I got to see it for free. So, again, I hope you guys have a great day, a week, and a month. June is here. It's hard to believe. So summer is well on its way. So I want to make for you a card, and I want to show you how sometimes you can take something with some inspiration and totally change it up to be your own. I have this card that I made part of a class that I did with another demonstrator. I love it. It's a beautiful card, and it really inspired me for my video today, but I didn't want to make this exact card. So I wanted to pull out some things that I haven't used. I got this stamp set in my last order. Really looking forward to using it. It's great for sentiments. It's going to be totally awesome. It's brand new. But I wanted to pair it with something that didn't have sentiments. I mean, that's why I have it, right? So this stamp set, which is carried over from last year's catalog, has no sentiments. So it needs one. So it needs to be paired with one. I loved this stamp set when I saw it because I love these little birds. And it has some dies that goes with it. And so I thought this would be perfect for these two stamp sets. So I'm going to show you how this card is going to inspire me and what my thoughts are. Haven't made it yet, so totally on the fly here. So here's my thoughts. I'm going to take a vanilla card base, 4 1/4 by 5.5. I'm going to go ahead and fold it because I'm going to do some stamping, and I don't want to do it above that part, right? Which I already got something on there. You know what, I'm going to put my scratch paper under. All right, so we're going to take and put that there. I'm going to take some masking tape and put that along my edge here so that I don't go above it, okay? I'm going to use crushed curry because that's the colors I want to color my birds. And what I'm going to do is this is a 2 thing. So I'm going to put hello friend on my thing. All right, so I want my card to go vertical. So I'm going to have friend be my background. So instead of the flowers that was on that, I'm going to do friend. Now I think I want some solid and some lighter. But very important when you do 2-step stamping and some go over the edge, don't stamp and then go to the middle because that will show up. And I think maybe now that I did that, there's a little heart in this stamp set also. I feel like I want that. I'm going to put soft suede in here, so I think I'll use the soft suede. So I think for my filler, I'm just going to do some little hearts. Now I am going to have I think that's good. All right, can pull this off. Now we're going to put, I'm going to use, this is from our new paper called Beauty of Friendship, and this is 1.5 by 5 1/4, and it is going to go along this edge right here, so the entire front. All right, just like that. Now here is our contour scallop, and this is where our little bird's nest, and I don't feel like I want this to be full strength soft suede, so I'm going to stamp it off, and then let me see what that looks like. Yeah, that's okay. Wasn't sure how dark that would be, so stamp it off, and I'm gonna kind of, I want one side of the, so it's like part of the bird's nest. All right, then I'm going to come back out with my, all right, so we have, I'm going to do one bird in crushed curry that's going to pop up, and then one bird is going to be kind of on the nest. Okay, so this is the full background of the bird, and I'm going to stamp it off because I want the details to be, so it's very light. Then I can take, I got to make sure I get the right bird here, the details of the bird, will be darker than the bird. Okay, and then this bird is the details, and that's going to go on our die cut. Okay, now I do happen to have a couple little eggs, and these are in vanilla, so I'm just going to put them on with a glue dot. And then this little guy is going to set right there. Then I'm going to take my Hello in full strength soft suede and put that up here at the top of my scallop. All right, then I'm going to put some adhesive that of course ran out. I think I got enough though, and that is going to go right there on my card. Then to finish my card off, I'm going to use some linen thread. wrap it around. And I like to wrap it through all of my parts because I wrapped it 3 times. And then tie a nice, pretty large bow because I like the curlies. And then I stagger. When I do that, I like to stagger it. And just because I don't want it going anywhere, I take a glue dot and anchor that down so it can't go nowhere. And there we go. That is how I altered this card into this card. There you go. Thank you guys for joining me this week. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will be back live next Tuesday. Thanks so much. Bye.